Hello, my name is Pickles and today I am installing a new belt in my vacuum cleaner. Installing back belts is a swell thing to do. Get the funk on there, you son of a bitch. I wish to duck it last year. I will use my penis to stretch the belt. This reminds me of when I was stretching out George Lopez's type. Asshole. Now the belt is on, so I can vacuum my massive pubic hair. The brush is ripping out my pubes. The pain is so incredibly swell. Now I am going to blow my load. Vacuum cleaner bag that was swell.